Hi everyone, let's start the day slow today with some intentional deep breathing. Raise your arms up as you inhale. Exhale, take some side to side stretch. Keep your arms locked by your ears. Now let's come down to all fours and into a child's pose. Take some deep breaths here. Now we'll come up for some cat-cow stretches. Inhale as you look up. Exhale as you go into a cat. Inhale as you look up. Exhale, a cat. Let's do this a few times to bring movement into your spine. Inhale and exhale. Now tuck your feet and come into a downward facing dog. Walk out here if you want. And exhale, come into a plank. Inhale, a downward facing dog. Let's take this ocean waves a few times to make your spine more mobile. Inhale, exhale into a plank. Inhale into a downward facing dog. Exhale and a Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold it. Take it slow. Upward facing dog and a downward facing dog. Deep breath here. Lift your feet, bend your knees and hop or come to the top of the mat. Forward fold and come up with a deep breath. And exhale, we'll come into a forward fold again. Left foot will step back now into a lunge. We'll take some Surya Namaskars and then a plank. After that, Chaturanga Dandasana and a flow, upward dog and a downward facing dog as you exhale. Now, left foot will come to the top of the mat. Right foot as well as you come into a forward fold. Inhale as you come up and exhale into a forward fold. Let's continue with the Surya Namaskar movement on the other side. Now right foot steps back as you take a deep breath into a low lunge. Let's take a plank, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog and a downward facing dog. We'll come into a downward dog and hold and breathe here. Take a deep breath. Right foot steps forward now. Low lunge. Left foot too. And take a deep inhale as you come up. Take a deep breath and exhale into a Samasthiti. Again, inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. This will gently warm up your body. Again, left foot steps back. Come into a plank. And a Chaturanga flow. Upward facing dog. And a downward facing dog. Left foot steps forward to the edge of the mat now into a lizard pose. Raise your left arms up and come back now gently into a downward facing dog. Let's take it to the other side. Right leg will now step forward to the edge of the mat into a lizard pose. Right arm raised up. Come back into a downward facing dog. Let's take an ocean wave here. Inhale and exhale into a plank. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale into a plank, Chaturanga. And flow. Downward facing dog. Once again, this time your right leg steps forward into a lizard. Right arm come up and slowly, gently this time bring your right arm to touch the back of your left knee to give a deeper stretch. Come back into a downward facing dog. and we will take it to the other side. Left arm now comes gently back to the back of your right knee. Hold it there. Take a deep breath. Stretch out. And now your right foot also will step to the right edge of the mat as you come into a Malasana position. Use your elbows to push out your knees further. Open your hips. Deep breath here. This is great for our hormonal health as well. You could also take a support here of a yoga block or a cushion if you're not able to come all the way down today. Now your hands to your feet and let's take some stretches. Inhale as you gently come up and hold a deep breath, moving side to side, stretching your hamstrings, stretching your arms, and bring your feet together now gradually and take a deeper forward fold. Keep your knees slightly bent if you need to, or walk out your legs if you're unable to stretch out your legs fully. This is great for your hamstrings. Now inhale as you come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Once again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Left leg will again step back as we come into a low lunge and come into a high lunge here. Hold it here. Open your heart, open your chest. Keep breathing, deep breaths here. Come down into a forward fold over your right leg. Let's stretch our hamstrings. Inhale as you come into a low lunge. Exhale as you stretch out. Do this a few times to bring some mobility into your hamstring. This is a great hamstring stretch. Inhale and exhale as you stretch out. And now hold it. Once you're done, take a stretch. Hold it here. Hold it and take deep breaths into your hamstring. Stretch it out. And now come back into a low lunge and a high lunge. And then we will gently balance ourselves and come to the top of the mat into a tree pose on your right foot. Just hold it, raise your arms up or keep it to your chest. Keep your focus stable. Let's hold the tree pose. Gently keep your balance but deep breath. Keep your focus, and now your left foot steps down into Tadasana. Inhale once again as you reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Now right leg steps back, low lunge, and come into a high lunge. Hold it, open up your chest and your heart and gently, you know how we will go into a forward fold on your left leg. Inhale as you come into a low lunge. Exhale as you stretch out. Let's do this a few times and keep breathing. This is great for your hamstrings. Brings in a lot of mobility. Hold it. Come into a low lunge and a stretch, and now hold it. Hold it here. Take a few deep breaths into your hamstring. Come back into a low lunge and a high lunge. As you take your arms up, gently shift your weight forward into a tree pose on your left foot. Keep your focus here as you stay in your tree pose. Keep your concentration, focus, fix your drishti on something. Tree pose is all about that. It's more about mental balance than a physical balance. Deep breaths and come back into a Tadasana. Inhale again as you raise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. And once again your left foot will step back to the back of the mat, come into a high lunge. And now we'll shift into a warrior two pose. Hold the stance here, deep breath, power pose, and come into a side angle on your right. Hold it, breathe deeply into your sides, breathe in and move into a peaceful warrior pose on your right. And now very gently we'll come into a Skandasana on your right. See if you can take all the support you need here. Hold it there. And now we'll shift it to the left. Okay? Take your support if you need to and hold it. Inhale, exhale, and we will come up gently. And then exhale, come into a wide legged forward fold. Hold it here. You can even reach out to your ankles. Hold it, bring your head down or forehead down to the mat if you can, or hold it wherever you can today. You don't have to come all the way down. Deep breath, gently come up. Exhale into a Tadasana. Again, inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale into a forward fold. This time right leg steps back. Come into a high lunge here. Hold it. Hold it there. Come into a warrior two pose. Side angle on your left this time. Deep breaths through your side. And come into a peaceful warrior to your right. The same sequence now will come into a Skandasana gently on your right. And then take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. And we'll gently shift our weight to the left into another side of the Skandasana. Deep breath here. Come on up into a wide leg forward fold. Bring your forehead down as much as you can. Try to touch it to the floor if you can. Hold it there. You can even bring your arms to the back of the mat. Breathe in. And we will come into again a Tadasana to the front. Inhale again as you reach up. Exhale, forward fold or Samasthiti. Once again, inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale, a forward fold. Left foot steps back this time. Right foot goes back again. We will come into a plank and a Chaturanga Dandasana flow. Upward dog and a downward facing dog. Now inhale as you raise your left leg up. Take a deep breath. Inhale, yes. And we'll come into a pigeon pose. Take deep breaths. Come down onto the mat. Take deep breaths in this position. This is one of the asanas that works best for me to de-stress. Whenever I'm stressed, I do this. It opens up your hips and releases your emotions that you have been building up. Now come up. Once you're done, or you can stay a little longer here. If you like it, you can come up, and what I'll do is I'll swing my right leg over my left knee and come into a twist. My left elbow touches my right knee and I'm looking over my shoulders, keeping my spine straight. This is a detoxing flow. It helps us detoxing your internal organs. Come back into a downward facing dog now. Lift your feet, bend your knees and to the front of the mat. Forward fold, come on up as you inhale and exhale into a forward fold. This time Right leg steps back, coming to a plank gradually. Chaturanga Dandasana and flow. Upward dog, downward facing dog as you inhale. Take a deep breath here. Your right leg will reach up now and you come into a pigeon pose on your mat. Come down all the way if you want to or hold it there. Again, breathe deeply. Hold this pose. This is a very peaceful pose and you can hold it for as long as you want. Release all your emotional stress. Keep breathing into your body and keep de-stressing here, guys. This is an amazing pose. Now gently come up and swing your left leg over your right knee, your right elbow on your left knee as you twist gently and look towards the back of the mat over your shoulders. Keep breathing. Keep your spine straight here. Now come back into a downward facing dog. Lift your feet, bend your knees and to the front of the mat. Inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Once again, inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. This time your left leg will step back. A plank and the Chaturanga flow. Upward dog and the downward facing dog. As you breathe in, stretch it out here. Take a few deep breaths, hold it, decompress your spine, stretch out your shoulders, stretch out your hamstrings. You can walk out your legs here if you want. And now, keep breathing and then gently come to the center of the mat. Inhale as you raise your arms up from here once again and we'll take another gentle twist to your right by keeping your left hand on your right knee. Looking over your shoulders, twist and detox your body. Take it to the other side. Right hand comes to your left knee. Deep breath in. Let's come into a butterfly pose. Hold your feet here. And see if you can do a forward fold over your knees and thighs. It's not mandatory, you can hold it where you're comfortable, or you can come all the way down. Stretch out your arms and shoulders and take deep breaths, guys, here. This is an amazing pose to keep your hips open, to de-stress. This is great for hormonal regulations for women. So stay in this. It should be a long hold in all of these positions towards the end of your yoga practice. Now stretch out your legs as much as you can and gently try to come down from your waist. You can take a support here. Not everyone can come all the way down to the mat. So you can take a block or a bolster here and put your arms over there. Come down as much as you can. Hold it as your hips open up further, your hamstrings get stretched. Take deep breaths and come on out into an easy pose. Take a deep breath as you inhale. Exhale, Samasthiti.